Hey, how y'all doing? This is Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park field. It's the Aero Modelers Association of Avon Park, or Avon Park Aero Modelers, and we're going to take up the Ciruss SR22. All right, going to take off flaps. And she's away. I'm running a 3200 3S in her. I can really see them lights. Starting to get dark, folks, so lights are really showing up nice.
Landing flaps.
This plane requires no landing flap to elevator mix at all. She can be a bit of a floater. That was kind of a rambunctious landing, wasn't it? Very strong gear. She's got a great roll rate on her, as you can see.
Landing flaps.
Let's see if we can't slow things down just a touch. Bring her by nice and slow. Give you a nice presentation pass. Kind of low. About half throttle there.
Time remaining 4 minutes. Flaps up. Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
All right. Good looking model, that's for sure. Got a real life full-size plane coming at me, so I got to be careful. Stay down nice and low. Don't want to run the risk of anything. Actually, it's a helicopter. All right, get her turned around here. Oh, they're up high. We're going to take off with no flaps. Nice scale takeoff there. All right, here, full speed pass. I'm tempted to look at that the helicopter, but you got to keep your eye on your plane. You're responsible for that missile of steel and carbon fiber and plastic that could go right into somebody. So you're responsible for that. So you keep your eyes on the plane. No matter how tempted you may be to take your eyes off your plane, keep your eyes on your plane. And because that's your responsibility. That's that big missile that you're flying there. Ah, bad landing. But
landing flaps.
so like I say, there's no flap to elevator mix. So about halfway down the runway is where you're wanting to set up yourself, your approach away is where you're setting yourself up for your landing. You're starting to reduce your speed. There we go. Oh, that's a good looking model there.
Landing flaps.
All right, folks, I've lost about a quart of blood to the mosquitoes, so I think it's time for me to, let's do one low pass here.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
You can actually see the light in the cockpit just now. That was so cool. I've never been able to see that flying, so it's just dark enough where I can see it. And man, love those lights. Love them lights. I like LEDs on anything though. Very nice approach. Come on. I can do better than that.
Takeoff flaps.
You know what we'll do? We'll try takeoff flaps. Actually, we'll do no flaps this time. Clouds are coming in. I really got to get out of here.
Landing flaps.
Yeah, there's no wind now, so I do need landing flaps. Not too bad.
Flaps out.
Still got a minute.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I know you're saying, well, come on now.
Landing flaps. Flaps up. Landing flaps.
I gotta stop, folks. I just can't stop. All right, folks, well, there you go. That is the e-flite Ciruss Sr22T. Got 17 seconds left
Flaps up.
on a 6-minute timer.
Motor on.
Motor off. Man, isn't that not a good looking plane? And just let me show you where I've got my battery. Hope you can see it starting to really get dark. See that light inside there? But there's where I got my battery. All the way back. 3200 3S smart battery. And let's see what kind of battery life I've got left here. Yeah, come on, man. 48%. Hey, that's perfect. All right, folks, there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all.